Okay, so today we are looking for a basket to use as a cake stand for my wedding cake, for our wedding cake. I will post the inspiration photo up here so that you can kind of see what we're looking for, and we're gonna see what we find.
Yes, there you go.
We have like one down there. So kind of like that. Kind of more this shape, but it's not sturdy enough. I need something like more like this, but round. Yeah, it's too small. Too small. It's nice though. Oh wait, what about this one? Kind of like it. Like, what do you think? No? They're kind of like in Goodwill. I don't think I like that one. Oh look! Look at this one. Oh, there's two of them. I like it. Yeah? How much is it? $20. Perfect. What about the bigger one?
No. No big. Yes.
I love them. How much is the big one? Big one doesn't have a tag. I like the big one. Okay, this one's not as sturdy. I think that one's better. One's better. Yeah, that might be the one. Oh, they have this big one down here. Too big? $40. Let's see. Well, I have to cut the handles off. Yeah, I think I like the other one better.
This?
Yeah.
This.
Doesn't have a price on it though. But I assume it's probably going to be priced similar to the ones next to it. So how much are these? 40. 29. 29 and 40.
Maybe 30.
So maybe 30 for that?
Yes. Maybe.
Yeah?
A few moments later.
Okay, so we got our basket. It did not have a tag on it, so we brought something similar up, and they went ahead and said we could have it for the same price. The smaller one was $20. They gave it to us for $24, and then they also went ahead and put a coupon on it. So we ended up paying $21.39 for this basket, which actually probably is supposed to be about $40. So, yay! Hashtag winning. Maybe like a week or so later, I was at Michael's and I saw this basket that's very similar to the one that we got. And you can see here it's priced at $45. So I am pretty happy with my find. Stay tuned to see how my cake stand evolves into our inspiration picture. As always, thanks for watching. And until next time, bye.